Hello beautiful women, I am Ishita Saluja, founder and head stylist at Ishita Saluja Image Consultancy, and I teach you how to make your everyday dressing easier. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about fashion mistakes to avoid in 2024 and how to fix them. But before we dive in, I want to stress on the importance of body positivity and embracing your personal style. Fashion should be fun and empowering, so let's all make a pledge to celebrate our individuality and unique beauty. Before starting, I want you to remember that everybody, as different people, have different understanding of styles and fashion. So whenever you watch something or you're trying to learn something which is about fashion, always understand one simple fact, that some things might work for you while other things might not work for you. So what does it mean? It means take whatever works for you and leave what doesn't, but whatever you are doing, remember to embrace your body and give yourself a little more love in 2024. It is super important for you to love your body, and once you understand the importance of doing so, I promise you eventually not only you will dress better, but you will feel so much better, and everything that you do will just show confidence. So let's get going and start with mistake number 1, not balancing your outfit and cutting yourself in half. One common mistake is not paying attention to the proportions and the balance of the outfit. Okay, let's assume, have you ever worn a top and bottom that made you feel like you were cut in half or that was not looking neat? I know, because I have. The key here is to make sure that the visual harmony is maintained by mixing different silhouettes and lengths to create a cohesive look. So basically what we are looking for it, that we create a ratio which is not 1:1. Now that can be boring and expected and also unbalanced. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to create interesting proportions and make your outfit very pleasing to look at. Remember, dressing is onlooker's illusion and you are also an onlooker to yourself. Now let's assume if the blazer that you're wearing or the shirt that you're wearing is oversized, then make sure that the bottom that you're pairing it up with is more tapered or straight, and that way you will have an absolutely balanced outfit. I think it's a great idea when it comes to dressing up. Not only it makes your dressing more interesting, but visually also it makes you appear more balanced. Now most of us have only heard that the only way to make sure that your outfit is looking balanced is by creating a ratio of 1/3 by 2/3, which only means tucking in. No, I do not believe in that. You can absolutely leave your clothes untucked and still make a balance. Like I said, you can balance your clothes either A, by creating a 1/3 and 2/3 proportion, or number 2, by making sure that you're balancing the silhouette. So like I said, just keep this in mind. If you're wearing an oversized shirt, then tapered pants, and if your pants are more wide leg, then fitted top. And this will make sure that you're always looking balanced and neat. And this I want you to remember in the year 2024 so that your outfit looks more elevated. Mistake number 2, wearing more than 3 colors in an outfit. While it's a great idea to experiment with color, but wearing more than 3 colors in one outfit can be a bit overwhelming. Instead, try incorporating different shades of a same color or same family, or opt for a monochromatic look that will always make you chic and give you a streamlined ensemble. Now, does that mean I'm telling you to wear only monochromatic outfit or you should just wear 2 colors? Not at all. What I mean is that avoid more than 3 colors in entire one outfit, or it can look a bit of mishmash. Now this is a great formula and I always adhere to it, that while you want to look more chic, more put together, more classy, then let's just face it, too many colors can ruin your look. Let's say you're wearing all different neutrals, then I'd say add a 4th color, or otherwise make it simple and make sure that you're only wearing 3 colors. Always remember that there is no one rule that you can follow, but it's important to understand that when you have 3 colors at any given point, it just makes you appear more neater. Lesser colors is the rule and 3 colors is just the upper limit, and that's all I want you to remember. Mistake number 3, और ये mistake मैं हर जगह देखती हूँ, that you are not giving enough attention to your footwear. Remember, footwear can make or break your outfit, so it's important to give the attention they deserve. Let's give you an example. Avoid wearing chunky footwear with slim fit pants, and always make sure to choose the right shoes for the occasion. Now keep these 2 things in mind. Always check the hemline of the outfit that you're wearing. If it's very wide, then you can go ahead and wear your wedges, but if it's not, then make sure your footwear is sleek or am now chunky. Now you don't have to wear pointy heels all the time. You can also go ahead and choose block heels or any heels that look sleeker or do not have a lot of chunk. But make sure at any given point that your outfit is looking balanced, because your outfit and you both deserve it. Now if you're somebody who's from short girls club like me, then avoid wearing heels that are very chunky or have a lot of straps, because that actually cuts your height immediately. Now other thing to remember while you're putting your outfit is to consider the masculinity or femininity of the overall look that you are trying to achieve. For instance, if your outfit is more feminine, like a printed skirt or a pleated skirt, it's a great idea to wear it with elegant heels, belly flats or sandals to make sure that your footwear is complementing your outfit. But on the other hand, if you feel that you want a more masculine aesthetic, then you may lean towards things like loafers, Oxford's boot. So when you consider the overall balance, I really want you to create a cohesive and a harmonious look. And therefore, I really feel giving attention to your footwear can change the game and will create an absolutely neat appearance that you always want. So make sure that in 2024, more attention to the footwear, the balance of the outfit and the masculinity and the femininity of the outfit. So if you're liking the video so far, make sure you go and hit the subscribe button, because that will mean the world to me. Moving on forward, these were the 3 mistakes that I definitely want you to avoid in 2024. But I want you to remember, fashion is all about expression and creativity. So don't be afraid to have fun and take risks with your style. Embrace your unique beauty and always dress in a way that makes you feel more confident and power. I have taken a lot of years to understand these faux pas, and now I want to make sure that you don't make them, because when you look good, you feel good. Also, we help women across the globe virtually to meet their style goals through our well-curated programs. So if you want to look more elevated and more confident, then I am leaving our contact details in the description below. Go ahead, get in touch with us, and I promise you we will make you look elevated, confident and more put together than ever. So let's celebrate more of you in 2024. This is Ishita Saluja, your style partner, signing off. Until then, remember, style is for everyone and yours is within you. But before you go, make sure to give it a like and share it with your friends, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button.